Hi, I'm Sarah with Get Online NOLA. Today we're talking about website design process. The design process can be super exciting when it comes to your website, but we don't want you to go headfirst into fonts and colors. We usually like to see a little bit more research and thought put into those aspects before we move forward. It's important to see what your competitors are doing so that you can stand out. You have to consider your brand identity when talking about fonts, colors, and voice. Also consider your customer. Is it an informal or casual relationship with your brand, or is it more serious? Creating a website is an investment with your time, money, and energy. If you're hesitant to start from scratch, it's a good idea to hire a local web developer to help you. Take into account what your customer is looking for and make sure that information is easily available. You should also consider what content is on the pages. Website content is the meat of the website. It's the actual words and pictures that you use. Fonts, colors, and icons are considered graphical elements, and they are hard-coded into the website. You have a few different options with themes. You can choose an out-of-the-box theme built by a third party. When selecting a third-party theme, you have to be aware about what is and isn't scalable for your business. For example, some themes aren't compatible with e-commerce. Or you can get a custom programmed theme designed to suit your needs. Using a web designer to build your website makes sure that you have what your business needs. Make sure that you're consistent with fonts and colors on your website. If your logo has 2 colors, don't try to make 5 work on your website. Using too many different fonts and colors can be confusing for your customers. Don't just stop there with branding. Make sure that you use the same fonts and colors on all of your social media platforms. We like to use the 3-click rule. That's converting a user into a lead in 3 clicks or less. Make sure that your website is designed so that your user can reach you or purchase your product within 3 clicks. Building a website is kind of like building a home. You can get a prefab option within a few days, or you can hire an architect that will design and build a home to last a lifetime. Thanks for watching. You can learn more at our website, getonlinenola.com.